Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you a full face using cream products. I know my voice is just completely broken and this is after vacation effect. I swear I'm fine, I'm totally fine. But to record this video I have to do a voiceover and that's why I'm doing it. I'm really sorry for my voice, but just bear with me. I think it will be fine after a few videos. So first, starting off with some moisturizer, I am using this sample product from Clears. This is their Rich Moist Soothing Cream. This is a beautiful moisturizer, especially if you have dry skin. Now, whenever you are doing a makeup product with cream products, a full face of cream products, you have to make sure that you are moisturizing your skin really well, or else you will see fine lines or patches and it will not look good. So make sure to moisturize your skin really well. Then I am going to use this primer from Milani. This is a glowing primer. Now why am I using so many glowing products? Just because my base product, my foundation, will be a matte foundation. So this is what my skin looks, ready for some makeup and looks really good. Now I am going to take my Nars Soft Matte Foundation. This is a very lightweight, matte, beautiful finish foundation. And if you ask me that what high-end foundation I will recommend, I will say go for the Nars one. I am not a full coverage foundation girl, but this product is just amazing. Just go for the Nars foundation if you want to purchase it. I am pretty sure that you're gonna love it. Then for my concealer, I am going to use this one from Blue Heaven. This is their new HD pen concealer. I think that's the name. I don't really remember the name. But this shade, as you guys can see, is very light for my skin. So it's also giving me some kind of under eye brightness. So I'm using my sponge, the same sponge, and blending out my concealer. Now here is the tricky part. You cannot use any powder eyeshadow for today's look. I am using my Super Shock shadow from Colourpop and it's a very beautiful shimmer shade, a very like rosy tone shimmer shade. These shadows are very long lasting, contains beautiful glitters, and it just looks so stunning whenever you just apply it all over your eyelid. So I'm just taking a brush and applying it all over my eyelid. Now I'm taking this liquid shadow. I think now I'm realizing that I should not use a liquid shadow for this look. I'm really sorry for that, but I'm using this liquid shadow from Flower Beauty. You can just skip this step if you want to, but for this challenge look I should have used cream products and not a liquid shadow on top. Anyways, I am taking a clean brush from Mars and just blending everything out, and this is what the base eyeshadow looks like. Now I'm taking this pressed glitter. This is also a very creamy chunky glitter from Colourpop and applying it on top of my eyelid, especially on the center part, so that it just gives me that extra sparkling effect. And then I'm taking a cream shadow again from Colourpop. I just love Colourpop cream eyeshadows, and this is a pink color, and I'm taking a Swiss Beauty flat brush and applying the pink color all over my inner corner area, so that it gives me a very beautiful pop of color. And this is such a stunning, yummy looking color. Okay, my throat actually hurts right now. I'm using my Lash Warrior mascara from Flower Beauty and my cream blush from K Beauty. This is in the shade Flirty Nude. Go for this blush, guys. It's a beautiful blush, especially during this summer season. If you're looking for a good cream blush, go for the K Beauty one. It's pretty good. Now I am taking my e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. This is a bronzer and that's why it is very warm, but you can use it as your contour as well, but I will say it looks beautiful as your bronzer than a contour, just because it's very warm. It's a very warm shade. So I'm applying it with my brush, and then I am going to take this angled brush from Miss Claire and blend out my cream contour. It looks very natural, blends out very well. If you don't have the Rare Beauty bronzing stick, you can go for the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. They are like not very similar but somewhat the same. I am going to take my cream highlighter, and this is again from Colourpop. This is their Super Shock highlighter. Oh my god, if you want to get that glass skin effect, go for Colourpop Super Shock highlighters. They will genuinely give you glass skin effect. They look so natural, they don't contain any chunky glitter or shimmer, they look beautiful. And then for my lip color, I'm going with a beautiful nude pink color in the shade Secret from Milani. And if you want to check out the review, definitely make sure to check out my new reel on my Instagram. And on top of that, I want to make it a little bit more pink. I am taking this particular color from Faces Canada to make it a little bit more pink. It's a matte lip color again. And here's the final look. This is what my full face using cream product looks like. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. I am really sorry for my voice again, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what videos you want to see next. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.